Hey guys, welcome to Beth Does Beauty. My name is Beth and today I will be reviewing and unboxing the LMX by Little Mix Get the Luxe Mega Beauty Edit. This box retails for £40 and I believe is only sold at Boots. Please be wary because when I was googling where this was sold, I have already seen things on eBay for this exact box with the Boots picture and they are retailing it for above the normal amount. I got it in the half price sale for £20, so I thought I'd review this because I've seen inside this box and there are 12 products. Lip gloss, matte lip liner, eyeliner pencil, there are 2 highlighters, there's an eyeshadow palette, there is glitter eyeliner, glitter primer, face and body glitter pot, and face gems. So you do get a lot in here. So let's talk packaging. On the front of it, it's holographic. I don't know if you can see that so well. It is very eye-catching in the shop. I saw it and was like, I need to have it because it's holo. I think this might come across as me sounding petty. In this day and age, I've looked at the box, these girls don't have pores, like, at all, which isn't Little Mix's fault. That will be the person that's edited their pictures. When your target audience is enjoying that these 4 ladies are very empowering and very self-assured and they've just released a song called Woman Like Me, then I don't know, that kind of puts me off. I know that that is every single product, every single beauty product, but as you can probably tell on my skin on the camera, I still have pores. That's no disrespect to them. I appreciate that they kept Jessie's moles on her face because I have moles on my face and yes, I try my best to cover them up because I am paranoid about them. I don't like my moles on my face because you never see them. But I get it, they are selling a makeup brand and they look banging, like seriously. The eye looks, especially on Perry and Jade, like the eye looks are amazing. So I'm gonna swatch these things today. I'm really excited about the glitter because I have seen the colour of the glitter and let me tell you, it is like a rose gold. Start off with the eye gems because I have a feeling that I'm not going to enjoy those. It's nothing against the LMX brand, it's more of a personal preference. I don't really like eye gems, I don't really like gems on a whole. I will put aside my personal preference and if they stick, which they look like they've got a good layer of glue to them. So if they stick, then heck yeah, I'll recommend them to those of you that are into this kind of thing, but face gems just aren't for me. I'm not very good with my hand-eye coordination, so we'll see how this goes. The colours are actually really nice. They're a nice mix of orange, gold, there's some black and white ones, and there are some like iridescent gems in there. I don't know how much you can see of that, but they are there. I would like to see if I can replicate that. We'll see just how good I am with my precision. I can't even say the word. Precision. My accuracy. It's fine. Change the word.
Things got so complicated, not like it was before. At the edge, you we should break it. You keep on coming back for more. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time thinking that
These are really easy to rearrange on the skin, even though they've already been on makeup. You can, and they will still stick to you. That doesn't look so bad. Drag queen-esque, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so I think these look ridiculous, but if this was what you were going for in like some drama kind of look, then heck yeah, I could see you using them. They're not irritating my eyes and I have really sensitive skin, which is a bonus. What do you think? So next up I'm gonna try the glitter, and the glitter is in Copper Cap and it comes with a primer and this cute little brush, and it's synthetic as well because the box is entirely vegan and entirely cruelty free. So the brushes are something that I would be willing to try for definite. I'm hoping that the primer doesn't break me out because I have really sensitive skin, like I've mentioned in the past. And I'm only going to swatch it on my arm here, not my face for now, because I always do a patch test first. So I'm super excited to try the primer and the glitter because the glitter looks really cute. This stuff looks amazing. You can build that up so easily. Considering it looks really chunky in the pan, I have just like put that on and it's like blended together like a foil almost. That does not feel like grainy at all. That feels so smooth. I am the definition of shook right now. It doesn't feel heavy like and sticky on my arm. Like once that primer goes on, there's a little bit of stick to it, but other than that, oh my god, and that shimmer is just gorgeous.
Things got so complicated. All I wanted was your love.
After that amazing experience with the copper glitter, I'm gonna go through on my arm with the glitter eyeliner. Strong chemically smell. Like I can smell it from here, which is what made me sniff. That goes on really nice and smooth with just one application. I like that. It feels very wet though, the way it went on. It doesn't feel as good as the free glitter in the little pot. This, I think you would have to be really careful with on your eyes for now. I'm still waiting for it to dry. I'm not sold on this. It is just kind of like any other glitter eyeliner I've used, and oh my god, it's still not dry. Up next is that Line Up eyeliner pencil from the LMX collection. I have a feeling that this is just going to be a bog standard eyeliner. No offense intended there, I just think with eyeliner, it's just the same thing. Like you either get gel pencil or liquid liner. It started to bleed slightly. So it started to bleed into my arm a little bit, which is something I would not be looking for in an eyeliner. You see that little bit at the top where it's smudging into the cracks in my skin. That isn't a major issue because it will be on my eyelid and really you won't notice it that much. So I'll do another line.
You keep on coming back for more. I've been
I think with practice I would perfect it over time, but it goes on really smoothly. I'm not having to drag my skin across to draw. It's not the most impressive eye pencil in the world, but it does its job. It does what it says on the tin. It's an eyeliner. Up next for swatches, I have the matte lip, the lip gloss, and the lip liner. For now, I'll just swatch everything individually, starting with the lip liner in Hold Up. It's like a deeper Velvet Teddy from MAC. And you know what? I think I prefer it to Velvet Teddy.
Things got so complicated.
I love this liner. I can see that looking really nice on pale skin and deeper skin tones as well. I'm going to try the liquid matte lipstick in Cupid. This smells really nice. Like as soon as I open the packaging I could like smell cupcakes almost. It smells like vanilla. Vanilla cupcakes. That is so pigmented and smells amazing. Next up, I'm swatching the Summer Rain Gloss, which is a nice, again, complementary shade for the rest of my arm. It doesn't feel sticky, you know when you put gloss on and you're like, ugh, my hair is gonna get stuck to it, like, ugh. It doesn't feel like that. That looks really nice. I love that. Oh, that looks amazing. That looks like a really cute combination of the gloss and the matte lipstick. You'll notice that there's like no transfer from the matte lipstick on this. Cannot seem to get the matte lipstick off my arm. It's not even moving. Even the gloss is not coming off my arm. So these things are built to last. Up next are two of the highlights. Highlight has been really, really popular amongst beauty brands. So here I have highlighter Lightning and highlighter Petal. That's very delicate and it looks like you can build it up. That would be, I wouldn't wear that as a highlight. I would wear the Petal shade as a blush. And I guess you could use as little as you wanted, or as much as you wanted. That's a really nice shade. I love that. That's enlightening. And again, like with a really light shade. I love those. I prefer a much more natural looking highlight. A borderline yellow gold colour like Lightning is perfect for me. I really like that colour. They're both really pigmented. They are so fine in texture that they are almost creamy when they go on. So Little Mix have really hit the mark with those two. The shimmer is really nice on them. Last but by no means least is the eye palette by LMX, which has 9 shades in it. They are Ammunition, Summer Song, Curtain Fall, Egyptian Cotton, Sundown, Stay Now, The One, Dreamy, and Come On Over. Once again, they are all shimmering colours. Shimmer seems to be a theme with this kit that I do not mind in the slightest. So for now I'm going to swatch these and see how they perform on my arm, and in a later video I'll see if I can create some eye makeup looks with them. Oh my gosh. The powder is just so fine and so good that when they go on so smoothly and creamy. The white one, there is a little bit of crumbling. It is on my floor. And the pigment on these things is just amazing. So I feel like with this selection, I have really eaten my words from what I said at the beginning, where I thought £40 was maybe a little bit expensive for what it looked like you got in there. I didn't really like the glitter eyeliner, and I wasn't particularly sold on the pink highlight. However, everything else was so worth the money. The glitter is my absolute favourite, the glitter and the glue. The durability of the eyeliner and the liquid lipstick are amazing for the price that I paid. Oh gosh, I I am at a loss for words. I am genuinely surprised at how much I like the products. Little Mix have delivered on what they've put out. Their brand seems to have the heart in the right place. They're good quality, drugstore prices, and affordable for the young people that are their target audience. And props to you guys for making it affordable. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that I've kind of let you into what is in the box so you can make an informed opinion about trying it out. I definitely recommend that you try the Get the Luxe box out because frankly I thought it was awesome. I will put a link down below in the description box which lists where you can find the Little Mix products on the Boots website. I will also link you to my social media sites, my Twitter, my Instagram and my Facebook page. Please come and say hello on those. I would really appreciate if you like this to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to me on YouTube, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!